Hey, what's going on, weavers? Tim here again, and in today's video we will be learning about 5 quick release hitch knots. These knots are meant for you to secure a line to an anchor such as a tree, railing, or fence, and I'll have more detailed information about each knot and their usages in the description, so please be sure to read that. Also, if you're enjoying the content on this channel and want to support directly, please feel free to check out my Patreon page for awesome perks like exclusive videos and Discord. That being said, let's get into it. The first knot is the exploding clove hitch. Pass your working end around your anchor, and then with your standing end, make 2 counterclockwise loops and place the second one behind the first one. Then make a bight with the working end and pass it through the 2 loops on the right. Cinch the 2 loops shut and firm up the knot. The working end on your left is your quick release pin. Pull it to release the knot. Number 2, the Painter Hitch. Start off by making a bight and then pass it around your anchor. Then going through the first bight, grab the standing end and make a second bight going through the first one. Following that, make a third bight with the working end through the second bight. This will be your quick release pin. After forming the third bight, just pull on the standing end and firm up the knot. So this quick release hitch is essentially bight, bight, bight. To release, you just pull on that quick release running end. Number 3, the Highwayman's Hitch. This one is similar to the Painter's Hitch, but this time I'm going to make a bight and pass it under my anchor. Grab the standing end and make a second bight going through the first one. And then pull the third bight through the second formed from the running end. Then pull down on the standing end to tighten the knot. To release, just pull on the running end. Number 4, the mooring hitch. Start by passing your working end around your anchor, and in this case it's on top. Then with the working end, make a clockwise loop, laying it over the standing end. From there, form a bight with the working end and pass it under the standing end over top that first loop. Cinch up the knot and you have your hitch. The working end on the right is your quick release pin. And finally, number 5, the quick release slip knot. I'm going to pass the cord around my anchor, and then I'm going to make a counterclockwise loop with the standing end, and then pass a bight through the back of that loop to make a slip knot. Then with the running end, form a second bight and pass it through the slip knot loop. From there, pull on the standing end and close the slip knot around the second bight. To release the knot, pull on the running end quick release pin. This will also undo the slip knot. So there we have it, weavers, 5 quick release hitch knots that you should all know. Once again, please read the description and pin comment for more information on these knots and their uses. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. If not, please hit that dislike button. That being said, a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. If you want access to exclusive tutorials as well as our Discord server, feel free to check out my Patreon page, link in the video cards as well as down below. You can join for as little as $3 a month. You can also support this channel by liking the video and commenting. Also, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to check out what I have to offer on the rest of my channel.